Welcome to an intriguing journey exploring countries that sound alike but are vastly different. Today, we'll uncover the unique identities of Slovakia versus Slovenia and Niger versus Nigeria. First, let's delve into Slovakia, officially the Slovak Republic, a landlocked nation in Central Europe. Its landscape is largely mountainous, dominated by the Carpathian Mountains, with Gorlichovsky Peak reaching 2,655 meters. In contrast, Slovenia, the Republic of Slovenia, touches the Alps and borders the Adriatic Sea. Slovenia's diverse geography includes the Alps, the Karst Plateau, the Pannonian Plain, and a short Mediterranean coastline, with Mount Triglav at 2,864 meters. Culturally, Slovakia's roots are deeply Catholic, influenced by folk traditions and its Central European location. Traditional Slovak cuisine features brinzov haleski, potato dumplings with sheep's milk cheese, reflecting Hungarian, Czech, and Austrian influences. Slovenian culture, meanwhile, is a rich tapestry woven from Austrian, Hungarian, Italian, and Croatian influences. Their cuisine includes hearty hoda stew and the delightful patika, a rolled cake with various fillings. Historically, Slovakia was part of the Great Moravian Empire, then the Kingdom of Hungary, and later Habsburg rule. It joined Czechoslovakia in 1918, became communist after World War II, and gained independence on January 1, 1993. Slovenia's history spans Roman rule, Slavic settlement, and centuries under the Habsburg monarchy. It was part of Yugoslavia and declared independence in June 1991, marking a new chapter. Now let's journey to West Africa to explore Niger, a landlocked country bordering the Sahara Desert. Most of Niger is covered by the Sahara, with the Air Mountains rising majestically in the north. Nigeria, the Federal Republic of Nigeria, lies on the western coast of Africa, bordering the Gulf of Guinea. Nigeria's geography is diverse, featuring plains, plateaus, hills, and the significant Niger River Delta. Niger's culture is shaped by its desert environment and diverse ethnic groups like the Hausa, Tuareg, and Zarma. Islam is the predominant religion, and traditional cuisine includes millet-based dishes and stews. Nigeria boasts immense cultural diversity, with hundreds of languages spoken, including Yoruba, Igbo, and Hausa. Nigerian cuisine is renowned for its variety and spiciness, featuring iconic dishes like jollof rice. Niger's history includes ancient trans-Saharan trade routes and the rise and fall of empires like the Songhai. It experienced French colonial rule in the late 19th century and gained independence in 1960. Nigeria's past encompasses the Nok culture, pre-colonial kingdoms, and British colonization from 1861. Nigeria achieved independence in 1960 and became a republic in 1963, forging its own path. From the mountains of Central Europe to the deserts and deltas of West Africa, these nations, despite similar names, offer unique and rich experiences. Their distinct geographies, cultures, and histories remind us that true understanding lies beyond superficial similarities. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Why How When, for more intriguing comparisons.